What's up guys, it's Kane here on the Kane and Nathan channel. Today Nathan is not here, but we are joined again with Ronnie and Ronnie's friend. I don't know if I class him as my friend, he's just a weirdo. Anyway, we said we was going to come up to the woods. We said we was going to come up to the woods in the day, and here we are. And well, should we just talk through what basically the places they didn't see?
Yeah.
Come on, let's go.
I just got stung. So fuck it. Come on, so.
Idiots, man. Idiots. Idiots. Bloody idiots. Anyway. It's so nice in here, actually, though. The only problem is getting into here. There's a bunch of stingers and crap everywhere. Ow! I just got caught on barbed wire. Don't worry, we are allowed to be here. This is open to the public. It's just not many people come down here, so it's all pretty covered in stuff. Oh shit. Anyway, yeah. So, this is where Nathan smacked the spider at me.
Remember that?
That was the rope swing and kicked me in the head off. I was not happy about that.
But you kicked him in the head?
Yeah, remember he kneed me in the side of the head?
Oh, yeah.
When I was there. I was there and I slid down because it hit me in the head.
That one broke, Rad.
Hold on, you stung it. And this is what happened. He did it very bad. Hold up. Hold up.
You go one-handed.
No. Record. Let's go again.
Didn't know if they could see that. Hi!
Hi.
Hi!
Basically, this one just goes out and around, and then there's a rope swing over there. Just goes straight down. You're about 15 foot in the air.
I'm gonna be Spider-Man. Someone on my phone. Okay.
He's going to attempt Spider-Man.
Spider-Man. Spider-Man.
Be careful of your head.
Does whatever a spider can.
Fuck
My
you
finger
know.
really hurts. Alright, let's go. That's the ball. What the? Don't worry about that part. Okay, that looks like it's been stabbed, but it's not.
You've been stabbed. Shut up.
Yeah, we probably have.
Yeah. Sorry about that, guys. I clicked off the video. Don't know when I did, but this clip will be inserted straight after. So yeah. We are going to explore. This is just where someone camped. It wasn't me. Told you people come down here. There's the other rope swing. It's on a pretty steep hill, and you come up to about where I am, which goes from here to like.
That toots our shell.
It's really high basically. You go at least 15, 16 foot in the air.
I need stick.
Then don't just grab onto it.
I'm small. Like
Back in a sec, guys. Okay, guys. Ronnie has now got the rope swing because I grabbed it for him.
welcome.
I hope you guys were doing good in quarantine, by the way.
Huh?
I'm talking to my fans, even though there's like none of them.
Yeah.
Well, 7 subscribers, don't even know how half of them are. Happy days. Thank you to subscribe, by the way. That made no sense. I can't English. Anyway. Go on, Ron.
Can you see me?
Yeah.
From Texas. Yeah.
That echoed, you know.
Ah!
Okay, let's go. Shut up.
No.
Jesus. Did you hear that? Bang over there. Probably the farmer. Shooting birdies.
Let's go to the airport.
No, we're explorationing.
No, we're actually.
Oh, god damn it.
Hey, David.
No, because we've already been hay bales on. Yeah. Yeah, we will, but guess what? We need to exploration it.
You edit your videos.
Yes, I do.
You do.
Yes, I do. Ooh, Skittles! You guys want some Skittles? Stop it, huh?
Nah.
They're not exploring, they're being pansies, look at them. Fucking explore! I'm gonna run. Guys, I've just run away from them. I can still hear them. Dude, guys, stingers everywhere. Probably gonna be bit by a spider. Fucking hell. I just walked through all of that there, all the way over there still. They have no idea where I've gone. They're going to be well scared. So I'm the oldest here, and they're more scared when I'm not around. Because obviously, haunted stuff. Ronnie sometimes his head plays tricks on him, makes him see things. Yeah. Not gonna lie, I'm getting a really uneasy feeling when I keep going over there. But let's keep going for content. If anything happens, it's on camera. Ow, you stung my leg. Oh, I made it. To the edge now. I'm on halfway now. They're all the way over there. Call them my name. They just realised. Scream. He's screaming my name. They have no idea where I am. Guys, I'm literally on the floor right now. They're over there. They just said they're leaving. See, he's not going to leave because I have his phone. I can see him. Oh, you won't be able to pick him up on camera, but I can see him. Mosquito. I need to move, there's too many mosquitoes. Let's go back this way. Too many mosquitoes, you know. Don't, if you go outside, be careful of mosquitoes because they can carry diseases. They might have the corona. So be careful of them. Just you so you won't kill it as fast as you can. Standing in the middle of the pathway and scare the shit out of them. Look like this so you guys can see. I'm gonna scare them. They're shitting themselves. He keeps screaming it's not funny. Even like if it's funny. They're not explorers. They don't go exploring. Oh, we're watching this footage. I swear to God, I hope you guys can hear them. Try not to be too loud because I don't want to hear me, obviously. Wait, hold up. You know the pathway? I ran to the pathway, ran round to the other side, and as you guys are screaming my name, I was watching you. Got him. Oh, but wait, guys.
Should we pick it up?
No. Look at this, guys. Little bird.
I'll take a picture.
Look at it.
Pick it up. Now, 'cause if you give it a worm, then it's going to think it's your mum. It's her mum.
It's scared.
Pick it up. I'm scared for it because what if the car comes down? It's in the middle of the tracks.
Car won't come down here. The gate's barbed wire off and everything.
Okay. Oh! Let me strike it. I don't think it's moving.
Mosquitoes. He's scared. He's waiting for his mom.
No, it's got a fractured arm. It's got a fractured leg. Look, you can just see a little fracture there.
It's not fractured.
It is.
No, it's not. It's just because it's a chick. Little bird.
Should pick it up.
Look for its mother. We need to put it out the way somewhere, but I don't know if its mom's left ear or what.
I'm tempted to pick it up. Pick up and put it in. Any type of clothing.
Oh, we want to move it off the edge.
Maybe.
Hold up, I'll take off my shirt.
Who's this? Sure. Yeah, go ahead.
Oh, he's trying to fly.
Oh, it's got broken wings.
No, it's not that. He's just scared.
Is it a stroke it? Where'd it go?
It's still there. It's moved out the way. Look. Go on, mate. Go on, mate.
I'm not sure to pick it up. I'm gonna pick it up. You alright? That thing's so adorable.
It really is.
It's time for a pet.
Thumbnail right there.
Do you want me to pick it up?
It's scared. We might just want to leave it, you know.
Do you want me to pick it up? I'll pick it up and move it out of the way more.
It's just scared.
Give me a...
We're gonna try and move it over to the side so it's not in any harm. Don't you pull in on its leg. It's stuck.
Come here, you're alright,
He's scared.
I've got you, it's fine, I've got you.
Oh, I think I cut myself. Come on, mate. He's just scared.
Should we leave it?
Oh, I want to make sure.
I want to find its mama.
I want to make sure it gets back to
find
his
its
mother.
mama.
Okay.
I mean, if we had a tub on us, I'd happily put it in the tub, put a bird's
Anything.
nest in it, and then...
There's birds everywhere. It literally could be any.
Just pick it up, pick it up. It could have fallen out of its nest. Maybe you can't see it, there's a nest up there. Look, if you can't see it, there's a little nest up there, can you see it?
Yeah, the only problem is it should be calling for its mother, but I don't know why it's not.
I know you're scared, buddy. I know you're scared. It's alright.
Mate, call for your mum. Call for your mum.
Call for your mum.
Alright, be back in a sec, guys. Guys, we got the
So
bird
we've got
in
the
a
birdie.
shirt. Trying to move
shirt.
it out the way now somewhere its parents can see it.
Guys, I want to take it home.
Look at this.
Can we take it home? I want to take it home.
No, you can't take it home.
It's a wild creature.
It's a wild creature. It's
Could have rabies and everything.
no, it's not that. It's just it's better off with its parents. Otherwise,
That can actually teach it how to fly.
thing is, it won't be able to eat because baby birds have their parents regurgitate it.
And you're not going to eat a worm and spit it out. Let's arrange for my mum. Ask her what to do if we find a baby bird. Just don't tell her we found one or else she'll be down in us. I want to bring her up and tell her we found a baby bird, we got it in a t-shirt now, what should we do with it?
Tell her we found it in the middle of a road. Because we did.
I was literally walking around sticking on his head. Mum, we found a baby bird in the middle of the road. We've got it wrapped up in a t-shirt now. What should we do with it? Can we take it home? I already want it. What, should we try and find like a nest or something to put it in? Alright. Me, King, Leo. Alright. Bye-bye. Look for the nearest nest. She said look for the nearest nest.
You can record. I'll hold it.
It was around about here. It's so adorable.
It really is.
It's getting used to us now, isn't it? It was still just here.
Yeah, it's right, yeah, look, you can see where it looks like its nest has been. And it's like falling out.
Yeah, it looks like it's in front of that tree. Oh, there could be nests everywhere. It looks the closest one to the ground. I'd say we take it up to near the farmer's house because there might be a good nest there. Or the farmer could take care of it.
Yeah.
Let's go do that. Let's land it.
Yeah, in the video. Hey guys, we're back and we just talked to the farmer and he doesn't know what to do with it. So we're just ringing up someone now if they could take care of it or something. I don't know what to do. It's so adorable, but none of us can take care of it. It's the only problem.
Now I think about it, my dog wouldn't eat it, my cat would.
Yeah.
So, we've just got a baby bird in a t-shirt. What should we do with it? It looks hurt. Up the dirt track. It's just in the middle of the road. It looks like it fell out of a nest. No, it looks healthy.
So it's like a couple weeks old.
It's like a couple weeks old. Alright. Bye-bye.
You should bring it to her.
So I'm taking care of it.
Like, we got someone to take care of it.
My sister loves birds.
Might have a pet bird. Obviously, because we saved it, like, she might even let us come in and see it every now and then when Corona's over. Happy days. Got yourself a little home, mate.
About breaks my sister's.
I can hold it in my shirt, like how Ronnie said, so you can not have to walk around the streets with your.
Yeah.
Back in a sec, guys. Hey guys, we are back on the way to take the bird back to someone. And I'm actually really happy we did this because now we have someone to take care of it and everything. So, the bird's been saved. Here's one last little look at it. And that, guys, is all. See you later.